Welcome to the Epoint post tutorials. OpenShift, where you pick up as beginning of today business date. If your system is configuring as auto shift, you may skip this procedure. Once you did a first transaction, shift code will be automatically capture. Today, I'm going to share to you how to open manual shift. First, make sure your current shift is empty. Click on OpenShift button. Click on Accept button. Current shift code is capture. That's all for now. Be sure to check out with others tutorials. Remember to like, share and following us in Facebook. Thanks for watching.